What's up, tech aficionados? Welcome back to Tech Simplified. Today we're tackling that dreaded notification storage almost full. Sound familiar? Whether you're rocking an Android phone, an iPhone, or a tablet, running out of space can slow things down and prevent you from snapping those awesome photos or downloading that new game. But don't worry, in this video I'm going to walk you through all the essential steps to delete storage and reclaim valuable space on your smart devices. Let's dive in. First things first, let's see what's actually eating up your storage. On Android, you'll usually find this under Settings, then look for something like Storage. Tap on that, and you'll see a breakdown of how your storage is being used: apps, photos, videos, and so on. On iPhone, head to Settings, then General, and tap on iPhone Storage. Here you'll get a similar overview, often with recommendations on how to optimize your storage. Now that we know what's taking up space, let's start deleting. The easiest win is often getting rid of apps you no longer use. On Android, you can usually long press an app icon and drag it to uninstall, or go through your app settings. On iPhone, you can long press an icon and select Remove App, then Delete App. Seriously, take a look. You might be surprised at how many apps you've forgotten about. Next up, photos and videos. These can be massive storage hogs. Go through your gallery and be honest with yourself. Do you really need 10 blurry shots of the same thing? Delete the ones you don't need. And if you want to keep them safe, consider backing them up to a cloud service like Google Photos or iCloud Photos before deleting them from your device. Let's talk about app data. Apps often store temporary files called cache and sometimes other data. Clearing these can free up space. On Android, go back to Settings, then Apps, select the app you want to clean, tap on Storage and Cache, and then Clear Cache. You can also see a Clear Storage or Clear Data option, but be careful with this one. It will delete all the app's data, like your login info and settings. iPhone has a cool feature called Offload App in the iPhone storage settings. This removes the app but keeps its data, so if you reinstall it later, you can pick up where you left off. You can also fully delete the app from this menu. Don't forget about your downloads. Open your device's File Manager app and look for a Downloads folder. You might find large files you've downloaded and no longer need. Time to say goodbye. And finally, if you're using cloud services for things like music or movies, make sure you're streaming rather than downloading everything for offline use, unless you really need it. So there you have it. A bunch of ways to delete storage and give your smart devices some breathing room. Which of these tips was most helpful for you? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video useful, please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.